This is a tutorial on how to create a Gmail account and a YouTube channel. The easiest way to start your YouTube channel is to start by creating a Gmail account. So go into Google and type in create a Gmail account, and you would click that first link there. You can start by typing in your username. I'm using the username 02monetization@gmail.com. Then you would type in your password, and once you do that 2 times, you'll be on your way to creating your Gmail account, which will then allow you to create your YouTube channel. This next step is definitely worth it in the long run if you plan to grow your YouTube channel and you want to keep it protected. Type in your mobile number and you will create a 2-way authentication to your account that will keep yourself protected. Put in your date of birth and your gender and you'll be on your way. Once you click next, you'll be sent a unique Google verification code that you will type into the box that you see on the screen. You type that in and you would then click verify. This next part I click skip, and then we go through the privacy terms and conditions very thoroughly, read every bit of it, make sure it reaches your standards. We've made it the 0 to monetization Gmail Google account. We would then open up a new tab and type in youtube.com or youtube.ca or whatever the YouTube domain would be. And from here you go to the top right of the screen where it says sign in. YouTube will automatically sign you in, and from here you see your Gmail account and you can click the Create Channel tab, and then you can make an edit to your username. This is how your name will appear on all YouTube forms. You can check out my other video on how to create the perfect YouTube profile picture. After selecting Create Channel, it brings you to your channel. And here you are. This is the base form that you have to start your YouTube journey. From here, you can check out some of our other videos to see what to do next. We would typically start next by creating a YouTube profile picture and banner to make your profile look great. Check out our other videos and we'll teach you how to get there. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment. Let us know how you're doing on your YouTube journey. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe below. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.